Axion here this morning. Professor,
Hello.
we're so glad you're here.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
With Mad Science Sacramento, and the idea is you can have fun with kids, whether it's an after-school program or a birthday party, whatever, and they're learning stuff, and I'm ready.
Oh, excellent. Okay, our first experiment deals with density.
We have a bubbly lemon lime soda.
Lemon lime soda in there.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Density.
density.
Okay.
So,
Alrighty.
in fact, while I'm pouring,
Yes.
you pick one of these. You go ahead and put a light layer of whipped cream on top of
All right,
there.
just a little light layer.
A light layer.
How'd I do, Professor? Is that good?
Beautifully.
All right, there we go.
There you go.
I'm ready.
And you'll notice that is floating. That's because the
Less
soda.
dense.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Now grab yourself a color.
Okay.
And dribble it in there a little bit, a couple colors.
Okay.
Now this, we can move on to something while this sinks down
Oh.
a little
Oh,
bit.
this experiment's going to do itself from here on out.
Well, we'll
Okay.
come back and check in on it.
All right, that's
How's
fun.
that? Oh, nice Christmassy
That's all.
colors.
Thank you.
holiday
That's what we
color.
do there.
Oh,
Okay.
look, it's happening already, actually.
Oh.
That's because the colors
That is
are more
cool.
dense than the soda. Also, we have diffusion. Those little bubbles there are like moving it around, and it's coming down, and it's...
And I can eat this when I'm done.
As soon as you are tired of looking at the pretty patterns, you stir it up with one of these straws and sip it on down.
That is super cool. Density, kids. You'll learn something. Okay.
Okay, our next thing is some instant ice cream.
Okay.
We've got 1/3 of a cup here of cream. I'm going to add just a dash of some vanilla.
Okay.
And I'm going to pour this in a
Hang on, I
plastic
got
bag.
you.
Excellent.
Thank you.
And then we're going to throw in a quick sugar cube.
Okay. You know what I like about this segment? At the end, we're going to say, kids, try this at home.
Oh, yes, we are.
Which is something the opposite of what you always have to tell them.
Okay, I'm going to move that like that. Get out all
Made
the
my
air.
ice cream.
Squish it.
Ooh, the kids
Squish
get to do
it.
the
Squish,
squishy
squish,
with
squish,
them.
squish.
You know, this makes me happy. Okay. All right.
Okay.
All squished up.
You feel
and
good? All right, put it in another one to protect
We don't want it to leak.
Exactly. Okay. Now in this one, I've got some ice cubes. I'm going to pour in some salt.
There we
you
go.
want a bunch of salt, about half. Now salt will allow melt.
I was
not
waiting
yet,
for the
not
science.
Yet,
Okay,
not yet.
I'm waiting for the science.
Salt will allow ice to melt at a colder temperature.
Okay.
Which means it'll be able. I'm going to mix this together a little bit.
And that's always amazing. The ice gets magically colder as
Yes.
it's releasing its cold and heating up. It goes
Exactly.
faster with the salt in there.
So then we're going to put this in here.
Okay.
We're going to seal that up a little bit.
Okay.
Okay.
You didn't trust me, Professor.
That's okay.
Okay.
Double checking is good. And then what we're going to do is you can wrap it up in some
Newspaper?
newspaper.
Yep.
Thank you. There's the word. And shake it
kids
around
are
for
just gonna
about
shake it
5
for a
or
while.
10 minutes,
You got 'em
and it
working.
becomes ice cream. And I have some for
Okay.
you.
Jay, we're going to save this one for last. Our
Okay.
ice cream, by the way, like any good cooking segment, magically will be done at the end of our segment.
It will. It
And
will.
let me tell you this, if you're interested in having Dr. Axion or anybody from the Mad Science team show up, sacramento.madscience.org.
Exactly.
Encouraging STEM and having fun and making stuff to eat this morning, ladies, in the kitchen.
Wow, Paul, that is so cool.
What? Look at you.
Like a mad scientist.
Oh, look at the experiment. Oh, I want to drink that. That's so fun.
All right, we'll see you guys in just a bit. Nixing NAFTA.
President Donald Trump is saying he wants to terminate the